If you notice new cracks around your Dallas home, the pattern and the changes around it matter more than one crack by itself. North Texas clay can shrink and swell as moisture changes. That movement can affect foundations, but a photo on the internet cannot diagnose the cause of a crack in your home. Start by taking clear, dated photos. Note the crack's location and whether it is changing. Check for doors or windows that suddenly stick, sloping floors, separated trim, or gaps around exterior masonry. Pay closer attention to rapid changes, horizontal cracks, visibly displaced masonry, a wall that appears to bow, or several symptoms appearing together. Sudden movement or signs of structural instability deserve prompt professional evaluation. Before covering a crack with patch material, look for possible contributors such as a plumbing leak, overflowing gutter, poor drainage, or soil washing away near the foundation. Do not excavate beside the foundation on your own. A qualified evaluation should document the observed movement and explain the recommended repair, monitoring plan, or need for an engineer. Compare written findings instead of relying only on a verbal sales pitch. To locate a foundation service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers, and availability varies by location.